following video is a demonstration of the translation feature that is built into Microsoft Word. This is a quick and easy tool that can benefit both students and teachers. In order to use this tool, you can open up a Microsoft Word document that you've already created, and you're going to click on the Review tab. Once you've clicked on the Review tab, you're going to see that there is a Translate icon. Once you click on this icon, you'll be given two different options if you want to translate a specific selection of your document or if you would like to translate the entire document. If you would like to translate the entire document, you will click on that option and you're going to have a toolbar on the right side of your page opened. This is a place where you can then decide if you want to do a specific selection of the document or the whole document. To translate this entire document, my language selections will be here. For the From section, it's going to auto-detect that this is English, and I can choose from a long list of languages that I might want to translate it to. So if I'm looking to translate this from English to Spanish, I would just scroll down the list, and once I have the appropriate language selected, I would click Translate. When Word translates this document, it opens up into a new window, a secondary document with the translation. So you will see that this is the original document and it's opened up a second document with that translation that you can go forward and work with. The second option that you can use is to translate a specific selection of the document. So if I click on this first paragraph and I want to translate it from English to Spanish, you'll notice that the Spanish translation comes up. I can either just read that quickly, or I might want to choose to insert that selection into that document. And you'll notice that now the Spanish paragraph is shown. It is important to note that this Translate tool is available only when you are connected to the internet, as it reaches out to an online service. I hope that you find this video to be helpful and that this is a tool that you can use in your classes.